All wires come in a variety of thicknesses. We measure the thickness of a wire by gauges. For example, you may see a 10-gauge wire. The lower the gauge, the thicker the wire is. For example, a 4-gauge wire will be much thicker than a 10-gauge wire. A gauge tool is used to measure wire size. A gauge tool has slots around the entire circle. You determine the wire size by placing the conductive part of the wire in a slot. The amperage rating is the maximum amount of current the wire can carry without overheating. The larger the wire, the higher the amperage rating. The more power a component needs, the larger the wire you will need to use. For example, a low-voltage light may only use an 18-gauge wire. An air conditioner may use a 10-gauge wire. In the chart to the right, you can see the maximum amperage of several types of wires. Always use a wire that can handle the current in the system. If a wire receives too much current, it will melt or cause a fire. The specific component you are working on will have a maximum current rating. You can find the maximum current rating in the component manual. You must choose a wire that can handle the expected current load. Using too large of a wire can cause too much current to flow and damage the component. Using too small of a wire reduces the voltage the component will receive.